Good morning, everyone. Moto Marine signing in. How are you guys? Happy belated Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So, if you guys have been following me on my Instagram page, I posted a couple days ago that I got this Klock Werks windshield here. I think this was the 5.5-inch flare windshield that I got. Wanted to get a smaller windshield so you guys aren't always staring out through my windshield. That one, I believe it was some cheapo one that I got off eBay. I want to say it was like labeled like as a 10.5-inch or something like that. So I brought it down a little bit, tested it out here today, and honestly, this 5.5-inch, I'm pretty sure it's a 5.5-inch. Anyway, this flare windshield from Klock Werks, I'm honestly not getting any more wind in my face than I did with my other windshield, and I'm also not getting as much buffeting where I thought I would be right in front of my face. So I'm actually kind of happy with this so far. It does feel like my bike is smaller now with this windshield on. It's a strange feeling, but it does feel kind of smaller now that I have a shorter windshield on here. But so far so good, really loving it. I'm up here at 90 miles an hour and still getting the same amount of wind that I normally would have been getting. Buffeting is still right at the top of my helmet anyway, so yeah, I'm pretty impressed. So just want to also check in, if you guys haven't checked out my videos last week that I posted like 3 videos last week, just because I had a lot of time to get some editing done and all that type of stuff the other weekend, and had a lot of content to actually get out to you guys, so I was able to get 3 out. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be able to, or how long it's going to take till I can get this one out to you, but hopefully I can get it out tomorrow. I'm going to try to get another video out for you guys later on this week. Definitely appreciate everyone's support. If you haven't checked out my latest video, the live wire ride, I got that posted right up here. It's been one of my best videos so far, that as far as views and everything. Which also reminds me, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ding that bell for notifications for when I do post all my latest videos and content. We really appreciate it, guys. So yeah, just a quick roll into work here this morning. This is where I'm going to get most of my video content for you guys, is just rolling into work. Really don't get much time outside of work to, I guess I'm going to go the long way. Don't get much time outside of work to really be able to get some videos done lately, only because I got some projects around the house and things I need to do with my son, so not own the rights to this music, but today is going to be a good day.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my 12 on, but didn't think out.
So yeah, guys, just want to say thank you for tuning in. Just a quick little first thoughts, first reviews here on my Klock Werks windshield, 5.5 inch. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I got it right down there in the lower right hand corner. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can get notified when I drop some more videos. I appreciate every one of you guys. Don't forget, get out and ride. We'll talk to you again real soon.